Today I'm going to show you the solution to the coloured car puzzle, which is part of Escape Game 50 Rooms number 2. And this puzzle is in level 28. And to find the puzzle, you just tap here on the floor, just next to that table. And there's the puzzle. And to solve this puzzle, you've got to put all these little symbols in order. And so I'm going to show you the right order, and I'll also put this order down in the description section just below this video. So the first one there is the red Gear Cog, and then you can only match up the ones that are have the little white box around them. So the first one we're going to do is the blue Gear Cog, and then we'll do the blue car next, and after the blue car we'll do the yellow car, and then the yellow Gear Cog, and then the green Gear Cog, and now this green with the four semicircles, that one, and then the yellow with the 4 semicircles, and then the next one is the yellow star, and then the red star, and now the red with the 4 semicircles, the blue with the 4 semicircles, the blue star, the green car, and finally the red car to solve this puzzle. Okay, so the puzzle's solved, and then you collect that little piece, and then you can move on and continue solving this level. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.